Hey guys, I want to talk about what I came across this morning that really actually helped get the fire going real fast. Um, well, we all know the triangle fire, right? To have a fire, need fuel, air, and heat. Well, I took that kind of aspect and kind of made sort of like kind of a triangle type of thing, and put some sticks across, piled some pine needles on top, put some more sticks on top, more on top, and lit it. And by damn if it didn't work. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, what we have here is your like typical fire pit. A lot of times we'll make our fire lay, here like teepee style or whatever it is. And then you take your burning tinder bundle, you stick it in there, pile sticks around it, and let it go from there. I came across a technique that works really, really well. What I'm going to do is take two pieces of wood here and sort of a triangle. Like so. Now what I'm going to do next is lay across pieces of wood across. Alright, what you see here, what I did is took two large pieces of wood here, formed it in form of a triangle. What I'm going to do next now is apply sticks to go across the top. It's not going to be complete coverage because you want the flame to go through, but this is going to be the main support for the structure. Alright, now as you can see I put like kind of a rough platform on top. As I said, that's not going to really be supportive of a whole lot. What I'm going to do is take thin branches and go them along vertically. So let me show you what the end result is. And there you see the main structure being covered with a whole bunch of these small thin twigs. I mean, technically you could take a match to it right now and it'll go up, but then you're going to be scrambling to throw more wood on it. So let me show you what else I'm going to do. Alright, what I threw is a bunch of dead pine needle tips, as well as a nice good heaping handful, double handful of pine needles on top. Now I'm going to add some more sticks to the top of that, and then just pile the main bulk around it. As you can see, I now put a whole bunch of small twigs on top of the pine needles. What that's going to do is add extra oomph to the fire, so to speak. What's good about this, I've discovered, is that it becomes self-feeding. It basically is when it does finally collapse and burns down, you have a nice bed of coals and you're ready to cook your meal. So let me get the rest of it up and show you how it's done. Alright, let's light this bad boy on fire. And it's caught. Move around so you get a better view. Of course, now you can tell. Look how fast that goes up. Isn't that something, huh? Generally you don't always have to use pine needles, for the filler inside, so to speak. You can even use this fine, tender, shredded bark, or just a whole load of real thin, pencil-lead thin branches, kind of stacked up in a way in a jumbled pile, and do it that way. But as you can see, this is going very well. Pardon the stammering here, it's been rough here. No fish, no marmot, and I just basically have the bare, necessity of backup food, which isn't much. So anyways, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed, and hey, Give it a try. See how it does for you. Talk to you later. One more thing. I want to show you how it finally collapsed here. And as you can see, it's a nice healthy fire. So there you go. Give it a try and let me know. Talk to you later.